Splash and fun learning. A new way to learn. Opposites. Hot, cold. Hot and cold. The sun is hot. Ice cream is cold. Open, close. Open and close. The door is open and the door is closed. Big, small. Big and small. Hydrogen balloon is big. Blue balloon is small. Full, empty. Full and empty. The bucket is full of sand. Empty bucket. Many, few. Many and few. Many fruits in the basket. Few fruits in the basket. Happy, sad. Happy and sad. The boy is happy and the girl is sad. Wet, dry. Wet and dry. Wet clothes, dry clothes. Inside, outside. Inside and outside. Dog is sitting inside the kennel and dog is sitting outside the kennel. Tall, short. Tall and short. Tall giraffe, short rabbit. Thank you.